Today, we're going to meet a very smart group of numbers. They're called rational numbers. Rational numbers are any number that you can write as a fraction, like this. If a number can be written as one number divided by another, it's rational. Easy, right? Yes. Even whole numbers are rational because we can just write them like this. And decimal numbers, like 0.5? Yup, that's rational too, because we can completely divide it. In other words, decimals that stop or repeat equals rational. But if a decimal goes on forever without repeating, it's not rational. That's when we enter irrational land. So remember, if you can write it as a fraction, it's in the rational club. And that's rational numbers, the cool, calm, and well-behaved group of the number world. Stick around for the next part of our algebra journey. It's going to be irrationally fun. For more videos, don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.